To set up a productive home office, start by preparing your workspace. Declutter and organize your area to minimize distractions. Remove unnecessary items and create a dedicated area for work, free from clutter and interruptions. This dedicated space will help you stay focused and avoid distractions that can hinder productivity. To optimize ergonomics in your home office, adjust your chair, desk, and monitor to ensure proper posture and reduce physical discomfort during extended periods of sitting. Start by adjusting your chair to provide good lumbar support and keep your feet flat on the floor or on a footrest. Position your desk at a height that allows your elbows to rest at a 90-degree angle when typing. Finally, place your monitor at an arm's length distance and slightly below eye level to prevent neck strain. To establish clear boundaries in your home office, set specific work hours and stick to them. This will help you maintain a healthy work-life balance and prevent burnout. Choose a start and end time for your workday and try to stick to it as much as possible. During your work hours, focus on your tasks and minimize distractions. Once your workday is over, disconnect from work and engage in relaxing activities to recharge. To prioritize tasks and manage time effectively in your home office, use tools like to-do lists and calendars. To-do lists help you keep track of your tasks and prioritize them based on importance and urgency. Calendars allow you to schedule your work hours, appointments, and deadlines. By using these tools, you can plan your day effectively and avoid feeling overwhelmed by the number of tasks you need to complete. To create a conducive atmosphere in your home office, control lighting, temperature, and noise levels. Natural light is ideal for your workspace, so try to position your desk near a window. If natural light is limited, use bright, artificial lighting to create a well-lit environment. The temperature of your workspace should be comfortable, not too hot or too cold. Finally, minimize noise levels by using noise-canceling headphones or earplugs. By controlling these environmental factors, you can create a comfortable and motivating work environment that will help you stay focused and productive.